soft. And then we're gonna add our wet ingredients. So a splash of vanilla extract. I'm actually gonna add the zucchini in now as well. That wasn't good. And then we have, this is applesauce for sweetness and flavor. Crack our egg. Actually, I'm gonna do our butter. Okay. Now we can crack our egg. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with our dry ingredients. Cinnamon, about 2 teaspoons. Our sugar, don't even most sugars. I was just a little low on brown sugar. You could do all brown sugar or mix, whatever. Okay, this is smashed walnuts for some texture. And then this is our baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Alright, last being our flour. This is about 1 3/4 cup. And we're just gonna fold it in until it's nicely incorporated.